Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tsioyn, and today I will be doing a hot oil treatment to my hair. So I normally just use coconut oil and it's good for all hair types. It's my personal favorite, but today I will be switching it up and also adding in almond oil. Almond oil is good for frizziness. It's also great for dandruff or if you have a dry or itchy scalp. I will also be using an applicator bottle and a bowl of hot water just to mix my oils together and get it all nice and hot. I also use a shower cap to keep in the heat, and a towel over that just to produce more heat as well. So I'm just gonna put about 2 ounces of coconut oil in my applicator bottle, and then I put about an ounce of almond oil in my applicator bottle. And I just like to cover that and put it in the hot water, and I set it to the side for a little bit while I undo my hair, get ready to apply the oil. So I like to use these clips to section off my hair, and I'm just going to section my hair off in quarters basically, and the top half is going to be 1/4 and the bottom half is going to be another, and I'm going to start with the bottom. So I like to apply the oil to the roots of my hair first, and I like to just work it all the way down and really massage it in. I take a long time doing this, but I really like to make sure that every single strand of my hair gets oil from root to tip. And I'm just going to continue this process, working the oil from root to tip all the way through. I'm just going to fast forward the video so that way you guys can see everything and really see how I'm working it in there. Alright, and now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side of my head. Once I'm done, I like to add a little more oil to my head and to the ends of my hair. I also like to give my head a really good massage just to make sure that the oil is really in there. Alright, so once I'm done, I just like to take my hair and put it into a bun, put the plastic shower cap over that, and then I put my towel on to keep it nice and warm. So depending on the day, I like to wait about 15 minutes to an hour, but it's all about the wait time. You get the best results when you wait a little bit longer. Alright, so now I'm going to go through and detangle my hair, make sure all the knots are out. And then I'm going to go in with product. Today I'm using a new brand. It's called Beauties Professional. It's all about the curl and I'm using their bouncy cream. And we're going to see how this works in my hair. Alright, so now the product's in there. I'm just going to comb my hair out and I am going to do an afro today. So I'm just going to kind of make my hair go all over in front of my face and all around. And then I'm going to pick up my Denman brush and I am going to clump my curls together. Now that my curls are nice and clumped together, I'm going to take the same brand, the Beauties Professionals, all about the curls, in their soft definition gel. And this is a light hold and it's crunchless. I don't really like that hard hold. So I'm just going to slip this through my hair, and I'm also going to apply a little bit to the back of my hair as well, and then let my hair dry. So on a normal day, I would normally let my hair air dry and then I would pick it out, but since today I'm in a little bit of a rush, I'm going to be using this diffuser attachment piece for my blow dryer. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. And to get my afro nice and big, I like to blow dry and pick in between, just so that way I get the volume while it's drying. Here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed my super simple hot oil treatment. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!